welcome to my video. Thanks for watching my video. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download CCleaner Pro for your PC, Android, Mac. So we will go to Chrome browser and search here CCleaner and search here CCleaner. After searching we will go to this website ccleaner.com. Download CCleaner, clean, optimize and tune up your PC free. Okay, open this website. Yes, the world's most popular PC cleaner. It protects your privacy and makes your computer faster and secure. Okay, there are three versions of uh, the software: free, professional, and professional plus up to 3 PCs. Okay, you can add this software, use its version into up to 3 PCs in professional plus variant. Okay, in this free, you will not performance optimizer boost up your PC speed by up to 34%. Get battery life. This feature will not be available in this free variant. Professional. This feature will be available in professional variant and professional plus. This feature will also be available in this variant. Hook driver updater. This will not be in free, available in professional and available in professional plus. Okay, so in this way you can see the feature available in the trial variant and professional variant and free variant. Okay, so these are the features and capabilities you can get in these pricing plans. Okay, the professional plus variant is available in $22.47, not a 44.99, because of 50% off on uh, this product sale. Okay, and the professional variant is 14.97, not a 30. Okay, 50% is off on purchasing the software. Okay, CCleaner free and professional are for whom you use only, that for your business. Okay, these are the feedback or reviews of the users. So you can pay the charges through these platform or payment methods: Visa, Mastercard, MX, PayPal. Okay, so the system requirements for CCleaner are Microsoft Windows 11, 10, 8.7 and 7, including both 34 and 64 bits variants. And release notes: the latest version are released on 16 on November 2022. CCleaner, that is 6.06.10 144. All new cleaning for Windows 10 11. These are the new features in latest variant. So other cleaning improvements are added in this variant. These are the other improvements. So fix bugs. These you can see all the variant history of CCleaner here. View full variant history. Release notes. Okay. So we are going to download it from free trial. We will free download it from here. Free download. As the setup is going to be downloaded, that is 50 MB per setup, and in few seconds. So guys, in this way you can download and install. After this download you will install. So in this way you can download and install CCleaner Pro for your PC. So thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe to my video, my channel, and like to my this video. Thank you so much.